Hello. Williams, Philippines. It's Thursday, the 19th of June, 2025, at about 2:17 in the PM. Seems like everything's been delayed, moving slow. Uh, well, I hope it gets kicking in gear and gets done. I went and checked on my guns. They haven't sold, any more of them at least. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Part of me says, just give them to my nephew. I don't know. Anyway, must be a good time for vacation because the gun lady's on vacation and the real estate agent went to a conference, I think. Yeah, it happens. Anyway, he's supposed to be by here tomorrow uh, with somebody again. So, yay. Hopefully, that'll work. The sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned. I want this house gone. I want out of here. And I don't want to delay and not go to the Philippines when I'm ready to go. There's more delay, and I don't want to have to go through that headache. Oh gosh, having to rearrange something like that. It took me too long to rearrange it or to arrange it in the first place. I didn't want to have to go through rearranging it. Yeah, that'd just be too much work. I'm avoiding that stuff at all possible. If nothing else, I can always carry the guns to the pawn shop and sell them to the pawn shop and get less, but they're gone. So I don't know. Uh, Apparently, still have a couple of kinks to work out with transferring money between banks. Trying to get that figured out. Oh, yay, oh, yay. Uh, I don't know. And I need to get papers to do some things, and yeah. I don't know. There's so much to get done here, literally. I feel like I'm running around in circles more days than I'm getting done things. But that is what it is. Uh, Phone rang and had to come in here and answer it. And I walked away from food. I'm hungry. Food's growing cold. Yeah, it was already getting cold. I was about halfway through my plate when the phone rang. Came in here, got into a conversation. Food's cold. Need to warm it back up. Such fun. And I'm looking at what all I've got in the house in the way of food, and I've got way more than I need for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. I got closer to 3 months. Yeah, and trying to figure out when my house sells and get over and get into the hotel room to get out of here so that whoever can have. Got to get it to where I can get the bills, uh, gas, water, and electric turned over to whoever. Fun stuff. And if I get it sold early, I might be able to avoid a couple of bills. That'd be nice. If not, well, it's okay. The longer it takes to get out of here, the I don't know. I guess it's better in one way because I won't have to worry about more bills because I'll already have paid them. Uh, and hey, the price of my house, what I owe left on it, will go down. Yay! That is what it is. Anyway, uh, the Dallas Stars. I haven't heard anything about them in a long time because I quit listening to news and to sports. Hell, the only reason I catch anything about sports is because somebody talks about the Cowboys while I'm at work. Ask me, did you see the game? No. I work nights. I sleep days. There's a game going on. It's usually happening during the day or evening when I'm sleeping. I'm not waking up to watch a football game or any game, hockey included. Just saying. I got better things to do at that hour of the day, and that involves me snoring. I don't know. There might be a couple of things I'd be willing to watch. The Stars is one of them. So, but I haven't even watched. Like I say, I think the last Super Bowl I saw was like 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, before COVID. And yeah, just ain't worth it to me. Uh, yeah, just ain't worth it. Uh, I don't even watch the commercials anymore. I don't care about if I catch them or not. That was the last. That was actually the last thing I wanted to see about the Super Bowl was the commercials. That's sad. Game didn't interest me at all. It was the commercials, and between the commercials not being worth much to anymore and what they do with the halftime show, yeah, pretty much I consider it to be something to be flushed right down the drain. Bye bye. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of things in this country have gone weird and crazy and just ain't worth it anymore. Uh, Gonna try to carry, you know, one of the things I do find worth it more though is food, and I've got enough. I'm probably gonna end up carrying some more over to a few of my friends, share it out. Nothing else. They have some extra. I don't know. Having done my stupid on stupid street, I really like food nowadays. It's never good when you're hungry. It's one of the reasons I always say more food. I like everybody to get to eat. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to go out of my way to feed everybody, but I'm going to make sure I have, and those are mine have. Hell, I'm half tempted to carry it over my ice chest, my chest freezer, over to my aunt's house and put the meat back in it. Let her have it. But that's a lot. I'd have to have her come get it with the truck. I don't know. Probably end up selling it. Garage sale. I think I'm going to do that next weekend. Try to get as much of it out of here as I can, as fast as I can. I don't know. Part of me says try to sell it tomorrow, have a garage sale this weekend and next weekend. Just cut it off short and go to bed early. But then I'd have people knocking on the door like I did last time. I'd have to bring it all back in. Not too good about that idea. Gonna make sure that this time nothing comes back in. If it doesn't come in, it gets left out on the street. Somebody will take it. Just saying. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I did something today. Rolled over 150,000 in my car. Yay! Yeah, it's been a good car. And don't get me wrong, the car lots won't give you jack for it, so I'm gonna need to find a private sale. And yeah, I guess I need to put a sign in it. But then my luck, it'd sell instantly, and I'm stuck here without a car for, however long. I don't know. Yeah, my car sells, but my house don't, and I'm stuck here because my house won't sell. That would be horrible. No vehicle to get back and forth to work. One of the hazards. I'm just rambling off at the head here. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. And yeah, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Again, do the like, comment, subscribe. That's your department. Figure it out for yourself. It's your choice. Everything is. Yeah. It is what it is. And trying to figure it out isn't the easiest part, especially when you're trying to make sure you don't be doing stupid on Stupid Street, because Stupid Street hurts. Yeah, John Wayne said stupid is painful or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you've had a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Lots of food, friends, and family. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.